Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix DNS probe finished NX domain error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, while browsing on your browser, if you are seeing the error DNS probe finished NX domain error and you are unable to browse, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First, what you have to do, you have to just press Windows plus R key, then type here ncpa.cpl. as you can see, ncpa.cpl, then click OK, or you can just directly click on this search menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center, then click on change adapter setting. Then you will see this window. Now select the internet through which you are using. If you are using through Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi. If you are using through Ethernet, select your Ethernet. Right click on that, click on property, click on TCP/IP4. You have to just double click on that, then select use the following DNS server. Use the following DNS server addresses. Here you need to type 8.8.8.8. come to the alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. After typing this, just click on OK, then click OK. Just disable it and enable it again. That's it guys. After doing this, hope your DNS issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.